What up with it, fam? It's your boy Al Avery, back in the place to be, Avery Family Channel. You know, man, long story short, I was supposed to hit y'all back. I was supposed to film me finish sanding down the four-wheeler parts. I didn't get a chance to film it. We had a couple technical difficulties. The camera, I ended up having to get a new camera, so I'm sure you probably see this one's a little better. But I didn't get to film it, but I want to let y'all know everything went well. Sanded that boy down from damn near 50 grade to 100 grade to 120 grade to 150 grade to 300 grade. After that, went up to Space Age Paint, Mesa, Arizona. I ended up going with a different green. I ended up going with like a lowrider flake metallic green, just because we live in Arizona, and when the sun hit them flakes, you already know your boy gonna be swinging like I got some foes on that boy. But so I went ahead and did that, but beforehand I went and got plastic primer. So went and got some plastic all white primer, threw that boy, spray painted those down, about 2 coats, and then of course, yeah, you know, got that taken care of, got the rest of the parts of the car, yeah. So I just want to let y'all know, you know, this the footage I got. I hope y'all like it. This was my first time ever taking the attempt to restore or to paint any type of anything. I wasn't really hands-on before this, but I just got tired of asking people to do stuff for me. Therefore, I got with it and start knocking shit out myself. So I hope y'all enjoy. Like I said, leave some comments in the comment section. Let me know what I can do better. Like I said, it's only my first 1 or 2 blogs, so I ain't no pro, you feel me? I'm just trying to get it out there. And one thing I know I did is I've been knocking out this four-wheeler. So y'all let me know how y'all feel about it. Y'all got any questions, let me know. If anything I can improve on, let your boy know. If I left anything out, also let your boy know. Once again, it's your boy Al Avery. Let's get back into the video. All right, people, so I got the parts in the bag. Bam, got some on the floor. So I'm headed to my dude Mo house. He got the paint gun. We gonna hit up Space Age Paint, Mesa, Arizona. We gonna get this shit lit, bro. I'm telling you, we about to. Your boy been sanding. Look, hands, bro. I'm crazy. Killed 2 pair of shoes doing this shit. So, real talk, man. We trying to get it. I take pride in it a little bit, man. I really worked hard when it came to sanding and shit, and it's not as easy as most people make it seem. But like I said, you know, we headed final day. Hopefully we can get everything taken care of, man. Then I can order my stuff from Amazon, get my stickers on the way. But yeah, man, like I said, on the way to Mo crib. I will cut the camera back on. I'll be tuning in back with you boys once I get everything situated. Once again, King Avery, this the Avery Family Channel. Holla at your boy. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I told y'all I was gonna be back to show y'all a little update of the video of the quad. About to finish putting the last couple coats on it, hopefully today, if it don't rain. So this is what we got so far. This is what we got. Still need about a coat or 2, but it's all good. She gonna be nasty though. That's how it's supposed. Still gotta do the insides. Couple more pieces. Got the rest of it out here. Oh yeah, we coming along. Get close up on that paint. I'm gonna hit it in the light. I'm gonna record it in the light too, with my gas cap. Yeah, man, we gonna finish this up. Like I said, a couple more sessions and the kid gonna be on the road, you feel me? This Green Lantern type shit. Shout out my nigga Mola Sweets. La Mo. Space Age Paint, and a little bit of motherfucking elbow grease. Alright. Be back and let y'all see how the rest of this shit look in a minute. Put my mask on, we're gonna get to it. Got OG out here helping me with this shit. Can't be wet. I painted this one. I hit that up. First coat, 2-3 coats. painting it all. Told y'all, man, we out here, man. Told y'all, got the OGs out here helping us out. OG showed me how to paint with the gun. So y'all gonna see the Incredible Hawk on the road real soon, looking chunky, real nasty. Fuck around, get ran over. Yeah, that motherfucker coming together. Hold it right there.
No, come back to me a little bit. Right there.
Shit, the front gonna come out looking amazing.
Oh, yeah.
I can already see it.
Right there, right there.
Bye.
All right, baby girl. You too.
You too.
Something go in here?
Some stickers or some shit.
Oh, okay.
I don't know what I'm gonna end up doing with it.
You in the game.
Looking nice. It's looking nice. Oh, that shit, I didn't even see that. That bitch out. Just wanna let
This is what I recommend you. You know, let it tack up, let it, you know what I'm saying, give it a few minutes.
Yeah.
Because that's the end of the paint, and then we can
Hit that bottom.
you hit the bottom and look for whatever blemishes we may have, whatever.
Yeah, I think so. That should be enough paint for sure.
Yeah.
Hard work. Shit wasn't no joke.
Put the top off of it.
Yep. Damn, that
You got
motherfucker.
to push that button, I think.
Oh.
You got to push it in. See that white that one right there. Push it in. Back it up and then push it in. Yeah. There we go.
That's just child-proof and foolproof too. Shit. So you just leave that whole thing in there?
Yeah, I put it in there.
Shake it around?
Push it around, and I make sure shoot something out of the middle so that don't fall up.
I appreciate that help
Yeah,
too.
man, you already know.
I'm gonna hit the streets on y'all niggas real soon. Real soon. Super wet. They gotta see it in the sun.
Oh yeah, we see the number from the sun.
It ain't doing no justice right now, but in the sun, they gonna be looking like, we gotta get y'all bike painted. Y'all niggas come holler at me. I'll send y'all to the OG and my nigga Mo.
Yeah.
Shit, a little elbow grease. Cause that shit, man, the hardest part was pretty much sanding it and priming it.
Where it come from?
Yeah, nigga, battery about to die. It's all good though. because this is finished product. So the boy camera about to die. Just want to tune in with y'all. Like I said, you know what I mean? King Avery back in. Just wanted to show y'all the last finished product. Bam. Like I said, I ain't showing this to brag. I'm showing y'all because I really wanted to do this, and this is what happened. So, I want y'all to see what we got so far. It's kind of dark in here. Let me cut the light on. My boy Mo. Boy Mo to help me out. You know what I mean? Check out the gloss. Candy green. Gotta go back over that bitch one more time. Nigga, the back piece over there. That boy Candy too. Man, we getting it. First time painting. Shout out my nigga Lamo for the skills. Let me come through and borrow his gun. I ain't want y'all to see the flakes though. We coming. It's gonna look nice, man. Halfway done. Partially always done. Generator went out on us, but nigga still got the spirit in him. So we gonna get back to this whenever I ain't at work or whenever a nigga can. But we getting this shit done by this weekend. Let y'all see the full.
Yeah.